everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today to do a review on this DeWalt miter saw. I'm going to let you see how this thing operates, and we also have it on a rigid stand. So we want to show you the versatility that you can get from the saw and the stand, and show you everything that you can do and all the different things that you could do. We're just cutting some wood. What are we building?
We're building these door headers.
Door headers. And what's the wood on the truck?
It's they headers for the bottom and the top of the header of the door.
Bottom and the top of the headers for the doors. So as soon as we cut a piece of wood, we're going to show you how this saw functions and operates. What all do you do with this saw?
Everything.
Everything?
You can build a whole house with this saw.
You could build a whole house with this saw?
Yes.
You're not on the camera.
Okay.
I just got your voice on there.
Yes. Okay, that's great.
You could build a whole house, y'all.
It's phenomenal.
And I like the
stops.
What is this thing?
This is the rigid miter saw stand.
I like the stand.
The stand.
So you could adjust this to whatever
you want.
Yep. So you don't really need, like if this was a two-person job, it becomes a one-person job because of the stand.
Yes.
Y'all let me know if y'all have any other products that you want us to review or show you, or like if you have any questions about this saw. How long have you had this saw?
About 2 months.
2 months.
I just bought it. But I've had several saws. Like this is a sliding miter saw. This is a sliding.
Okay, a
miter
sliding miter saw.
Yeah, it's a DeWalt slider. And it's
put this on the truck or on
yes,
the
on the truck. DeWalt sliding miter saw. It's a good machine to work with.
Y'all see how easy it slides through that wood? I'm going to give y'all an angle from the front, from the side. Does it come with a warranty?
Oh yes, it's good. So as far as the contracts are concerned, this is the best miter saw on the planet.
And because it's a miter saw, like, and it goes all the way out like this. Like, what's the length of wood? How wide of wood can you cut?
You can cut a 2x12. You can cut a straight cut 2x12.
And if you wanted to cut more than 2x4 at a time, could you?
Yes, you could.
So he say don't do that.
Slider. It
he
slides.
Says it's called a slider. Whoa.
It's like this real.
I think every woman needs one of them tools.
This is a versatile saw, real nice. I love it.
How expensive is it?
They have them on sale now for. I bought this one for they.
So y'all, I'm stacking wood in the truck.
This is rated #1. This is a #1 table saw.
A table saw.
That's his #1 model.
And it's portable, you guys. I just rolled it all the way over here. About how many feet?
About 25 feet. 50
That's
feet.
more than 25
50
feet.
feet.
I
Oh, it's
just
on about
rolled it
100
over
feet.
here
100 feet.
from over there to over here. Very easy and portable. So I'm gonna let my assistant show you guys how to set this up. Real quick, real easy.
Please put your eyes on the film camera. See,
Look at that. Look at that.
it's
Woohoo!
ready to go.
Woohoo! Now that was so simple and easy. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. And it's not that heavy because it's mostly
portable.
plastic
It's portable.
and it's sturdy,
Contractors
heavy duty.
love it. It's a contractor's
Dream.
wish list. When they get a wish list,
So if you were a do-it-yourselfer man or woman, you'd love to get one of these for Christmas?
most certainly. Most certainly. Oh yeah.
You wouldn't get mad about getting twos for Christmas
Not at all.
or your birthday gift?
Not at all. Would really relish the person that get that for me. I really would appreciate them.
So y'all, that was quick, easy,
The rib guide just comes out.
and
Yeah.
he's setting it up. That he
It's
said
so-
that's the rip guide.
Rib guide. Locks in place. Very, very good. Very well. Worth
So
its
on a
money.
scale of 1 to 10, what is your recommendation for this tool?
10 plus. This is a 10 plus too. Very, very.
Is it worth the money?
Very. It's on sale for $3.99.
What?
Yeah.
$3.99.
$3.99. We normally sell for $4.99.
Even
$500.
$4.99 is still a good deal.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
$3.99. Oh my
At Home
goodness.
Depot. This is Home Depot brand, Richard. But this is the best, best desired mobile saw. This is really a nice saw,
Wow.
and this is a most desired miter saw stand. That's number one rated, number one miter saw on a number one stand. I don't like DeWalt stand because it doesn't compare to this Richard stand.
So your recommendation would be the rigid stand, the DeWalt saw, and the rigid table saw.
The ultimate Richard.
And if you had these three pieces of equipment, do you need anything else?
You always.
It depends on what kind of work
Yeah,
you're
but
doing.
for the table saw, this is the only one you would need. I had this when I did Jackie's house back in the flood. I had two of those. I had this stand back when I did Jackie's. Of course, it was a new stand, but I did. Oh, I love this too. This is number one. Could you grab that lumber for me?
I'm going to show you how he rips this wood. You're ripping it down. This is how.
This is 2x6. We don't have any more
2x6.
2x4s. We need 2x4s, so we're gonna rip this down.
He's going to
To
rip
a-
it down
to
to a
2x4.
2x4.
Yeah, we out of lumber, and we have to mill it now. And we're gonna mill it down to 3.5 inches.
You going to need me to hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna push it to you. Once I cut it off.
I think I'm going to have to turn you guys off. Hold on. I might have to let y'all watch from back there. saw, even though it's messy right now.
It's ultimate. This machine, I really. If you're gonna buy one, this is the one to buy. I ain't lying to you. It's a cold-blooded. Remember, it's yeah. Let me shut this one down. This one here is quick. It's a quick saw. It's a quick. That's good. Come on, baby. Just like that, it's ready to go. It's mobile. Hi, baby.
Hey, Elizabeth, how are you? Long time no see. Is you single?